IBM Lotus Connections is social software for business that empowers employees to be more innovative and helps them execute quickly by using dynamic networks of coworkers, partners, and customers. Frank Adams, an employee at Renovations Corporation, is responsible for securing and preparing speakers for an upcoming event. To begin this task, he opens the activity dashboard, part of Lotus Connections. Frank can view his activities in a variety of ways, including by tag. Tagging is the way he and his colleagues use words to describe and categorize information, people, and even entire communities in Lotus Connections. He can also easily see selected activities organized by their relative priority. Opening the Event Logistics activity, Frank can work with all of its elements, including messages, files, to-dos, and web links. In the Navigator pane, he can access information about the tags and people associated with the activity, or simply view an outline of all elements. He can list all to-do elements, all elements by type, or activity history data. Since this activity is due very soon, he moves directly to the to-do list. An incoming instant message informs him that his colleague Ling, an expert in Asian markets, won't be able to speak at an upcoming event. This is cause for concern since the event takes place in less than a week. Frank will use the collaborative power of Lotus Connections to help him find the right replacement. Using Lotus Connections profiles, he takes advantage of the integrated search function and its associated tag lookup capability to identify a suitable replacement for Ling. Finding people based on how they've been tagged makes it easy to locate and exchange ideas with experts across an organization. This saves time and improves efficiency. The search returns a short list of people as well as 2 relevant communities. Clicking on Team Asia, Frank sees more detail about the community, including a group of tags called a tag cloud, where more popular tags are shown larger and bolder. Community members are displayed with a single click. The member list includes Ling, as well as others with similar expertise, who may be able to help. Clicking on Heather Reed's name displays her photo and contact information. Frank can also see links to other information, including her profile. In Heather's profile, he finds more contact information, as well as her management reporting structure, in both a hierarchical and more detailed form. Her experience and expertise are described in the About Me and Background tabs, with even more information available in her blogs. Profiles give people streamlined access to extensive information on colleagues and experts in a form that's well organized and easy to navigate. Heather's blog shows that she has extensive knowledge of Asian markets and may be a good replacement speaker for the upcoming event. Lotus Connections also provides the ability to subscribe via common Atom feed readers, indicated here by the familiar orange icons. Frank continues onto Heather's Dog Ear page, where bookmarks are stored and shared. Dog Ear makes it easier to manage and share bookmarks. At the top of the page, general navigation controls allow him to display additional bookmarks and subscriptions, including his own. He may be able to learn even more about Heather's expertise and interests by reviewing her subscriptions. Heather's Asia subscription draws Frank's attention. In it, he sees an extensive list of bookmarks, the most recent of which takes him to a page on the Renovations intranet containing a link to a white paper that Heather wrote. An icon in the taskbar shows other people who have dog-eared this white paper, and also the tags they used. From here, Frank can dog-ear this page himself. To tag the page and make it easy to find later, he can create his own tag, or select one that has already been used by his colleagues. He can also make this new bookmark private. Frank is convinced that Heather is an excellent candidate to replace Ling. Using IBM Lotus Same Time, he initiates a chat session with her. Pleased to see that Heather has agreed to speak at the event, he saves the chat transcript to the Event Logistics activity so that others will have access to it. In addition to accessing his Lotus Connections activities with a web browser, Frank can also work with them using his Lotus Notes 8 client. Here we see a subset of the same activities he was working with earlier in his browser. Inside the Event Logistics activity, he opens the Confirm Speaker to-do and marks it complete. The completed to-do now appears in the activity element list along with the chat transcript he added earlier. IBM Lotus Connections delivers integrated, easy-to-use social software tools that help solve real business problems and empower employees to achieve higher levels of innovation and improve the quality of their work. For more information, please visit IBM.com.